When it comes to accurate and efficient land surveying services in Noida, DGPSSurveyors Noida is the name you can trust. With their expertise and state-of-the-art technology, they ensure precise measurements and reliable data for a variety of projects. Whether it's for construction purposes, boundary establishment, or topographic mapping, their team of highly skilled surveyors is equipped to handle any task with utmost professionalism. One of the key advantages of choosing DGPSSurveyors Noida is their use of advanced DGPStechnology. By utilizing Global Positioning System (DGPS) receivers that are capable of capturing satellite signals, they are able to determine accurate positions and elevations of various points on the ground. This eliminates the need for traditional surveying methods that can be time-consuming and less accurate. With DGPSSurveyors Noida, you can be assured of faster turnaround times and precise results. Another area where DGPSSurveyors Noida excels is SCON design. SCON design refers to the planning and layout of structures such as roads, highways, and buildings. The team at DGPSSurveyors Noida has extensive experience in designing SCONs that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and efficient. They take into account factors such as traffic flow, safety regulations, and environmental impact to create designs that meet the needs of their clients while adhering to industry standards. DGPSSurveyors Noida understands the importance of precision in surveying and SCON design. They have a thorough understanding of the local regulations and requirements in Noida, ensuring that their work complies with all necessary guidelines. With their use of advanced DGPStechnology and expertise in SCON design, they deliver accurate and reliable results for a wide range of projects. Their commitment to precision, adherence to local regulations, and excellent customer service make them the go-to choice for all surveying needs in Noida. DGPSSurveyors Noida is the name you can rely on for precise and effective land surveying services. They guarantee accurate measurements and trustworthy data for a range of tasks thanks to their experience and cutting-edge technology. Their staff of expert surveyors is prepared to tackle any assignment with the utmost expertise, whether it be for topographic mapping, boundary establishment, or building objectives. Utilizing cutting-edge DGPS technology is one of the main benefits of selecting DGPSSurveyors Noida. They are able to precisely calculate the positions and elevations of various points on the ground by utilizing Global Positioning System (DGPS) receivers that are able to capture satellite signals. Traditional surveying techniques, which can be labor-intensive and inaccurate, are no longer necessary. You can count on faster turnaround times and accurate findings when working with DGPSSurveyors Noida. SCON design is also another skill that DGPSSurveyors Noida excels at. Road, highway, and building planning and layout are all examples of SCON design. The staff at DGPSSurveyors Noida has a great deal of expertise creating SCONs that are both aesthetically beautiful and effective. They produce designs that satisfy the needs of their clients.